Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg on a pan. First, select a good non-stick pan, ideally 8 to 10 inches in diameter, to ensure even cooking. Next, add about 1 teaspoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil to the pan. Allow the pan to heat gently over medium-low heat for approximately 2 minutes. This crucial step ensures the pan is adequately warm, preventing the egg from sticking and promoting a perfectly cooked result. Now, carefully crack 1 or 2 fresh eggs directly into your warmed pan. Be gentle to keep the yolks intact. Let them cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll notice the egg whites beginning to set around the edges and becoming opaque. This initial cooking phase is vital for building a solid base before moving on to the next step, ensuring a beautiful, evenly cooked egg. To achieve your preferred yolk consistency, you have a few options. For a sunny side-up egg, simply cover the pan for about 1 minute to gently steam the top until the whites are fully set. If you prefer over easy, gently flip the egg and cook for just 30 seconds. For over medium, cook for 1 minute after flipping, and for over hard, cook for 2 minutes. Once your egg is cooked to perfection, it's time for the final touches. Season it generously with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper or any other spices you enjoy. Then, carefully slide the beautifully cooked egg from the pan directly onto your plate. Serve it immediately to savor its warm, tender texture and rich flavor. Enjoy your perfectly cooked egg.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.